Hello everyone. Today is 1st July. Happy Doctors Day. I wish all the doctors a very happy Doctors Day for your commitment to healing and saving billions of lives. Again to my respected doctors, Happy National Doctors Day. National Doctors Day is celebrated on July 1st since 1991 in India to honor the birth and death anniversary of the renowned physician Dr. Vedant Chandra Roy. To my all the doctors, thank you for your immense dedication and sacrifices to improve global health. Sending heartfelt wishes to all the doctors who work hard to keep us healthy. A good doctor is also one who is attentive, analytical, brave, calm, cooperative, creative, decisive, energetic, ethical, friendly, gracious, humorous, investigative, knowledgeable, mature, nurturing, observant, passionate, responsible, reassuring, selfless, skillful, trustworthy, vigilant, and wise.
standard na bossanti mesaj ରଖି ଦେ ରଖି
ଆବାଜ ଆଉଚି କିସ
ରଖି ରଖି ଦେଲୁ
ଅଙ୍କର ଏଟା ଆବାଜ କିସ ଆସୁଚି
ଆବାଜ ହିଁ ଶୁଣା ଯାଏ ମାନେ ପମ୍ପିଂ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସେ
ଏଟା ପମ୍ପିଂ
ବରା ହେଲେ ଜାଣି ହେଲା
ପମ୍ପ ହୋଉଚି
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ପମ୍ପିଂ ଅଛି
ମତେ ପମ୍ପ ହୋଉଚି
हार्ट बीट होची एठी आडा आज जाइछु
एटा मामा ऑपरेशन करी
खाइ सारे बस लैट्रिन पड़े ठीक अछि एटा बस कंटिन्यू करे देबे शॉर्ट
मामा मोरे लिवर पड़े
आडा आज जाइछु
एटा मामा ऑपरेशन करी
खाइ सारे बस लैट्रिन पड़े ठीक अछि एटा बस कंटिन्यू करे देबे शॉर्ट
मामा मोरे लिवर पड़े